What is going on, my finesse turgies? Welcome back to another Finesse Worm video. Hopping on the 110 today, setting some record fast times on the track. Let's not waste time with a long intro, just watch this crazy gameplay. Hopping right into it. I was feeling myself on the 110 and I was like, I gotta get some clips. So I started running up my fastest lap times. I hit record. The rest is history. I mean, I'm flying, I'm hitting whips and scrubs and fat nasty lines. Or sick nasty. Fat nasty, sick nasty. Oh no, here we go again. Little case never hurt anybody. I was pretty smooth on this track for the most part. Nice, that's gonna finish us out with a very fast lap time of 58.24. That's gonna put us #1 on Steam, number 5 in the world. Are you kidding me? We want the #1 spot, let's be real. We're some finesse turgies around here. We're not playing around, we come to win. Here we go on track number 2. Starting out hot. Sorry, I'm just getting mesmerized by the gameplay right now. I'm actually cooking, hitting everything damn near perfectly. Nice, all right, it's gonna give us a 51.21, put us #1 on Steam, and I forgot to check the global leaderboards on that one, but I was probably top 10, whatever, if I had to guess. We're shooting for #1, by the way, on Steam. Every single track we want #1. We're not moving on until we get #1. On Steam, at least. Globally is a whole different ball game. I mean, we're trying to get #1 globally, don't get me wrong, and we get close. But at the end of the day, as long as we can get it on Steam, we're pretty happy. Minor case right there, nothing you gotta get a lawyer about. And that will do. Give us another #1 with a 54.39. And our global score is a #4 spot. Take a #4 globally. Pretty good. Moving on to our last and final track here. Let's see what we can put in. Well, I don't know why I said we, because you ain't doing shit. But watch me go to work. This jump right here, this big ass triple is so hard to hit. I don't like to call it luck, it's more like skill. Got a little crazy right here and just did a little Casey poo. still finished with a number 1 on Steam. And we got a number 2 spot globally in the whole entire universe. I'm number 2 on a 110, that is. Well, that's the end of the video. I'm a beast. It was nice knowing you.